to the slide that we made yesterday, what are traits, genes, and alleles? And the last thing I'm going to do on this slide that's going to be due for this assignment is to add a picture and to cite it. So what are traits, genes, and alleles? I'm going to add a picture right here. So I went to my search engine and I put that traits, genes, and alleles in the search bar, and I found a picture that shows the gene and then the different alleles that could be traits of that, or the different alleles that could be represented by that gene. And they have hair color and the different alleles that could be represented for human hair color. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this image. I'm going to paste it into my presentation. And it's already the size I want. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to view the page so that I can get the website and I can paste it into there. I'm going to go ahead and stretch out my text box and shrink it up and move it to the bottom. And then remember, we need retrieved from. And then there's my website. Okay, so this will be part of your assignment for today, is getting the picture there. Now let's move on to slide number 4. What's a Punnett square? So I'm going to go ahead and delete some tabs, and I just put that into the search engine. What's a Punnett square? And I went to the Merriam-Webster dictionary site, and I found a great definition. It's a square diagram that is composed of a grid, usually 4 boxes. It could be larger if you're trying to compare more of the traits. And it's used to calculate and to depict all the combinations of frequencies of different genotypes and phenotypes among the offspring of a cross in accordance with Mendelian inheritance. And Gregor Mendel was that father of biology that started working with the pea plants, and he started recognizing that these traits could be manipulated depending on how you fertilize the pea plants. And so we'll talk more about that in our presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and use my quotation marks. Go ahead and paste that in. Close my quotation marks. And if I come down to my works cited section, this is my 5th website that I've used to cite evidence. So I'm going to do shift 9, 5, and shift 0. And then I'm going to come down to my works cited slide. I'm going to add that 5 and add that web address to my last slide. All right, and now I need a picture. So I'm going to go back to my search. I'm going to look at images. And all of these are Punnett squares. They cross like a multiplication table, like B times capital B times capital B equals capital B, capital B. And so these crosses, I really want to get the percentage in here. I think that, yeah, I like this one a lot because it shows the results, it shows the percentage, and it shows the cross. So let me make a copy of this. I'm going to go ahead and Control V paste it in the last few seconds that I have. I'm going to come back to the website. Copy it and paste it.